Hey everyone, in this video I will explain you yellow face detection. So this is our objective presentation outline. So we'll go through what is face detection and how many types of algorithms are being used in face detection and what is yellow face, and we'll compare yellow face with other algorithms. Then what are the advantages of yellow face? Finally, we'll conclude something about yellow face. Let's go to the first slide. This is the introduction. So we need to understand what is face recognition. Face recognition is widely used in application in computer vision. Generally, the first stage of face recognition is to detect and locate faces in images or videos. So we need an accurate algorithm that gives the best performance. So there are multiple algorithms like I have mentioned here, cascaded CNN, MTCNN, DenseBox, FaceNet, and many more. Cascaded CNN, which uses the cascaded convolutional neural network to detect faces. The overlap bounding boxes are removed by non-maximum suppression. So coming to MTCN, it also uses a similar cascading structure but also predicts five landmarks of faces like eyes, nose, mouth corners. So third one is DenseBox. DenseBox introduced fully convolutional neural network to detect faces. And finally, in this list, we have FaceNet. It had two approaches to detect face. First response is to generate a response map of different facial parts. Then the second stage defines it by multitask convolutional neural network. Other than traditional algorithms, deep learning based face recognition have achieved better performance. For example, faster CNN, ResistNet, and many more. Today is the era of deep learning. So we achieved many great results using deep learning. So Yellowface is basically your deep learning model. It uses the .NET. In the next slide, we'll see the dataset for Yellowface. Yellow version 3 is trained on Coco dataset. When it is applied to face detection, the performance is not well expected. So this yellow face is another issue on yellow version 3 is the size of anchor boxes. The anchor boxes used in yellow version 3 is not necessarily fit in face record, face detection. So another thing is to overcome this problem, we have LFS which focuses on size of anchor box and on Nobel loss function. Instead of COCO dataset, the algorithm is trained on wider face dataset, and the detection speed is also similar to 11 3. So the performance of LLM version 3 decreases when detecting small scale objects. The network architecture plays a vital role in feature extraction and object locating. Due to features of small scale targets becomes very small, the the layers cannot obtain enough information from it, which affects the efficiency of feature detection. As I told you, when the layers cannot extract enough information from the image, so that will in latter part in feature detection part, that the accuracy will be reduced. So earlier version 3 is not able to detect small objects. That is the demerit of yellow version 3. And so detect more accurately, yellow face is modified on the original architecture of Darknet 53. So what is the modification? By increasing number of network layers of first two residual blocks, small feature can efficiently achieve. And what about anchor boxes? The two kinds of anchor boxes are used in yellow face. First one is drawn from original yellow version 3, yellow version 3, and that is flat and slim boxes. What is flat boxes? Flat boxes are those length of height is less than the width. Similarly, the slim boxes have its opposite. That means opposite means the length of height is higher than the length of width. That means the slim boxes is tall. Secondly, GLFI uses the k-means clustering algorithm, which selects the anchor boxes. First, we need to choose k randomly and the number of anchor boxes, and initialize clustering centers to calculate IOU of the anchor boxes. IOU means generalized, intersection over union. And here I have mentioned that the LFS uses loss function. First one is MSE, second one is GIOU. That means MSE is mean squared error and GIOU means generalized intersection over union. To have to select anchor boxes, as I mentioned, LFS uses two types. First one is the original yellow version 3, second one is the K-means clustering. Using IOU as a distance of anchor boxes, all the face labels are divided into K classes. Then the mean value is assigned for a new center of anchor boxes, and we have to repeat it until convergence. Then the architecture. This part is feature extraction network, and the second part is feature detection network. In this yellow original paper, the input image size is for 416 cross 416, and the optimizer is used as SGD. Batch size is 64. Learning rate is 0.0001, and it exponentially decays in every 4000 steps. The total steps are 20,000. This feature extraction layer have 71 convolutional layers. It reduces feature maps by the convolutional layers with a stride of 2. The detection network has a similar structure to FPN. FPN means feature pyramid network to extract features from different map scales. This is the architecture of yellow face. You can find the paper. I have referred this paper. You can find it on internet. Now we have a comparison between yellow version 2, version 3 and yellow face. You can see there are three images. First one is faces are very small. In second one, faces are comparatively larger, and third one is normal photo. I mean, you can see visualize the photo. But in first case, you cannot recognize face. So you can see yellow version 2 is not giving so much so good result, and yellow version 3 is comparatively good compared to yellow version 2. And you can see here yellow face has detected almost every voices except 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, like this. But compared to yellow version 3 and version 2, yellow face performed very quite good on these images. On every image you can see that these two remaining two images also the yellow version, yellow face has good result compared to these models. So that was all about yellow face. The presentation was very small. I want to give a very quick introduction about LFS. I mean, there is a lot to learn about LFS. This is a very quick introduction. What is LFS and how the what is the architecture of that LFS compared to version 3 and version 2 and LFS which is faster. We see that LFS has the similar speed of version 3. Yellow performs well while facing normal objects, but incapable of detecting small objects. And here comes the yellow face that overcomes this problem. And the accuracy of yellow face is better than previous model versions of yellow. I hope you got some idea on yellow face. Thank you.